Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. So product videos can boost trust and even conversations fast. So in today's small tutorial, I will show you on how to add a video to your Shopify product page in the 2026 version. Well, first we're gonna go open our device, make sure we are fully connected to the internet, and we're gonna go all the way to shopify.com. This is where you should usually log in or sign in using your email address and password. After this, go all the way to open the products. Just tap on this product section. Now, you can basically add product, import or even add videos if you want to. Go ahead and upload a video. Under media, click add media and upload your video file. You can do this here or even go to your online store, then tap on Temp. It's gonna take some time. Then we're gonna go to edit temp from here. You should be able to see multiple options here. You can add sections, you can change the header, announcement bar. You can even add section here if you want. You can add block here, add another section if you want to. You can select for what. You can even add it from the apps if you want to as well. Just basically pick whatever you like. Then reorder your media and save the changes by tapping on the save button. Review your product page, and that's it. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you in the next video.